When you're injured on the job and you notify your supervisor and they notify the powers that be and a workers' compensation claim has begun, you're usually referred to a treating physician of their choosing. Most commonly, we see urgent care facilities being utilized for this purpose. When you present to the urgent care, it is important that you report all injuries and all pain that you are feeling as a result of the work-related injury. You need to make sure that you note all body parts involved, and then the treating physician may or may not, but let's say they do provide work restrictions. And they will provide work restrictions of light duty. Most commonly, we see no lifting over 20 pounds, no bending, stooping, crawling, no standing on ladders following the nature of the injury. You take those restrictions and you present those back to your employer. If the employer is able to accommodate those restrictions, then in North Carolina, they are supposed to provide a job description and submit it to that treating physician to determine whether or not it's a suitable position. There are exceptions to this, and this is a process that is during the early stages of a workers' compensation claim overlooked. However, it may be looked at later on in the claim. But if the employer is able to accommodate those restrictions, then you work light duty. And if there is any wage differential, if you are making less money in light duty, then you are entitled to temporary partial disability benefits. So the insurance company will have to pay you the difference between what you did make prior to the injury and what you are making now on light duty. If for some reason they cannot offer the light duty, then they will have to provide temporary total disability benefits to cover the wages that you are no longer able to do the work.